Pukchel Khoijen Tinnaba Imung Masing Yamna Leiraba Matamdata Yaiphaba Khunnai ama Lingba Ngamgani haina DM University Vice Chancellor Professor W. Chandbabu na phongdok-khre Wafamasi DM University Department of Sociology na selak ngasi pangthokiba International Day of Families ki thoramda mahang na phongdokimani Family-oriented policies for sustainable development haiba theme da DM College of Arts ke auditorium da pangthokiba thoramada Professor W. Chandbabu hai Imung hai ribase Khunnai amagi yamna maru oiba kayat amani Imung yaudana Khunnai ama lingba oithokte Imung haibase nungsibagi tungnafam oiriba mafam amani Imung khudingmak issue amadi tongan-tonganba challenge kaya mayoknaribani Pukchel Khoijen Tinnaba Imung masing yamna Leiraba Matamdata Yaiphaba Khunnai ama Lingba Ngamgani haina mahakna phongdokhi mahakna makata na hai Khunnai amada Imung amana lawriba thodang ase lumna lawduna punja inisung machamapan Manipuri hundoi da United Nations ke General Assembly na May 15 ngasigi numit ase International Day of Families haina observe tawnaba lawtokibani Family-oriented policies for sustainable development haidiba chahi asige theme asisu hojikki matamga yamna chanaba amadi magun leiba theme amani UN na sustainable development goal 13 lokhatuna goal sing ase phanghanaba kan muang da hotnari pandam ase yamna fazaba amani amadi pangthoktaba yadaba amani adubu goal sing ase malemgi imung singna phanghangadabani haibase khangmi chumi afaba Khunnai ama lingnana bahotnabada afaba imung ama sagatpa yamna maru oi Yaiphaba ki khongthang khudekmak imung manungdagi horakadabane maramaduna aikoina aikoigi imungdagi horaga hongna lonchat khangba amadi Pukchel Khoijen Tinnaba imung amamam oina bahotnase haina mahatmaka taki Thoramatuda DM University के Vice Chancellor Professor W. Chandbabu, Manipuri University के Department of Sociology के हाने के HOD Professor Rajendra Khetri, DM University के School of Social Science के Dean Professor K. Indramani, University के School of Humanities के Dean Professor S.H. Lanjanba, Mite Yamadi University के Department of Sociology के HOD T.H. Mavatina Mathang Sidna, Chief Guest Resource Person, Guest of Honor Amadi President Oina Sarugaki.
Families are really a very important unit of our society. Without families, there will be no society. Without societies, there will be no state. There will be no nation, in fact. So it is extremely, very, very important component. If you look again, you see families. A family is nothing but a basket of happiness. A family is also basically, you can say, a basket of love and affection. A family is also a basket of issues and challenges. And a family is also a basket of hope and aspirations. And so far the family is a nucleus of each one of our society is a happy basket. So long as it is a loving and a caring basket. So long as it is a basket of aspirations and hopes, then many such families will make society a bigger basket of hope and aspirations, a bigger basket of love and affection. That is something which we all should know.